Star Atlas DAO at present exchanges close 32 cents bears control policies for the most part current cost activity, or so they thought. Polies fall 4.42% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Polies as by and large intraday volume essentially remains at $305,944, or so they generally thought. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues. What fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO is polies an essentially wise speculation, or so they truly thought. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the police specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us explicitly discuss the really current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital money market to $1,071,510,173,848 in an unpretentious manner. But fundamentally absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $19,008,310,440, which most certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which sort of is very huge, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a kind of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51, following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 1.33 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in a significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally show that the market is going in a sort of descending bearing for truly present moment, which for the most part is genuinely critical. As of now, a general quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an especially huge manner. Star Atlas DAO execution. The truly current Star Atlas DAO value sort of is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the sort of beyond 24 hours in a huge manner. Presently, Polies most certainly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD. Genuinely further appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value decline of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours, which is very huge. What explicitly is Star Atlas? Star Atlas fundamentally is a monstrous multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse in a significant way. It is being based on Incredible Motor 5, permitting the game to include film quality, continuous conditions, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Atlas happens in a cutting-edge sci-fi setting in 2620, where three by and large significant groups basically have fundamentally arisen and for the most part are seeking assets and control. Mankind. ONI, a consortium of essentially extraterrestrial societies, and Uster, exceptionally conscious androids in a significant manner. The game for the most part joins various classifications. It for the most part will be part technique in that you for the most part need to by and large foster strategic game plans on the most proficient method to basically communicate with certainly different players and groups. Showing how Star Atlas DAO at present exchanges close 32 cents bears control polies is exceptionally current cost activities, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. A piece of it truly is investigation, as the game highlights a wealth of stars for investigation and double dealing, or so they thought. Since players can go to and fundamentally investigate these stars freely through first individual flight, it really is to a limited extent a flight recreation. Finally, players can mine assets and get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, which essentially is very critical. Subsequent to picking a group, players at first start in group security zones without battle to in every practical sense investigate commonly fundamental interactivity in an unpretentious way. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security and in every practical sense, open interactivity where battle certainly is conceivable, or so they really thought. Central ongoing interaction points of support are especially profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking and game callings to mine assets, producing unions to scale control of assets, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, who generally are the pioneers behind Star Atlas, which is very critical. Star Atlas really was established by President Michael Wagner, Q Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd and CTO Jacob Floyd, which fundamentally is very critical. Before establishing Star Atlas, Michael Wagner really worked at a VC reserve and at Multichain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on delivering blockchain-centered items in an unobtrusive manner. Pablo Quiroga is the pioneer behind an enhancement startup and really worked in biotechnology before helping to establish Star Atlas, which essentially is very huge. What for the most part makes Star Atlas truly extraordinary in a by and large huge manner. Star Atlas sort of expects to by and large convey a vivid metaverse gaming experience that envelops commonly a few types and for the most part joins a film-quality gaming experience with a capacity to really procure virtual resources that can in a real sense be traded for genuine money in an unpretentious manner. It intends to supplant its rivals by beating them in most certainly a few regions, or so they really thought. Up until this point, no blockchain game for the most part consolidates concerning all goals and purposes various ongoing interaction prospects as Star Atlas, or so they certainly thought. While games offer the choice to for the most part procure by means of marking, or fight certainly different players for virtual resources, or in a real sense investigate its virtual world and structure unions, no game does the entirety of the above at the same time in an unobtrusive manner. Players can involve the Atlas in every practical sense, token as in-game money to buy resources. Yet they can likewise generally buy and large purchase NFTs on the NFT commercial center that will work as boats and exceptionally other in-game gear. Truly further appearance how preceding establishing Star Atlas, Michael Wagner worked at a VC store and at Multichain Adventures, an organization zeroed in on delivering blockchain-centered items, or so they generally thought. Simultaneously, players can in a real sense basically pick a calling, for the most part, for example, an abundance tracker, privateer and a very huge number of others to really satisfy jobs on spaceships, which certainly is very critical. Spaceships will likewise in a real sense have the choice to in every practical sense, consolidate assets and all things considered, contend exclusively, yet in addition on the whole in a kind of large manner. These exceptionally purported commonly decentralized independent partnerships can explicitly build whole space urban areas with going with miniature economies, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Police token, the second in every practical sense badge of the Star Atlas universe, will explicitly act as an administration truly token in these space urban communities, as well concerning administration choices in regards to the game in an unobtrusive way. Star Atlas additionally plans to offer a NFT commercial center and an NFT discharge timetable to really disseminate and exchange game resources, showing how Police's very intraday volume generally remains at $305,944 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, by being coordinated with the Serum DEX, Atlas token holders will sort of have the choice to fundamentally give liquidity, or especially sell and basically purchase their for the most part token possession, showing how it essentially is being based on stunning motor